Today I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the tube command in your 3D modeling. The tube command can be used to make tubes, pipes, and three-dimensional rings. It takes three parameters, the first for the inner radius of the tube, the second for the outer radius, and the third for the height of the tube. I'll take you through a couple of examples to show you the capabilities of the tube command. For the first example, I will make a tube, my tube, with an inner radius of 3, outer radius of 5, and a height of 1. I will then display my tube using the show command and press run program. Here is the first tube that we've created. Let me turn the grid on. Imagine for a second here that the units for this tube are in millimeters. In that case, we have just designed a washer with a diameter of 1 centimeter, being 10 millimeters. Now let's change the 1 here, representing the height, to a 3. Our washer is now a bit thicker, and it looks like it could be a ring. So let's do a bigger change now, and let's make our tube a lot taller. Let's give it a height here of 30. This will be much taller than our other tubes. Let's zoom out a second. And our tube is now much taller. It looks a lot more like a long pipe now. However, the walls do look a little bit thick. So let's make the walls of this pipe a little bit thinner. Remember that the first two parameters are the inner and the outer radii of our pipe. So let's give our pipe an inner radius of 4, and that should give us some more space in the middle while keeping the outer diameter the same. There it is. Our pipe now has thinner walls, though the same outer radius. Note that in construction, the term diameter is used more often than the term radius. Diameter is, of course, just 2 times the radius, and it represents the distance from one side of the object to the other, going right through the center. To sum up this lesson, remember that the tube command can be used to make three-dimensional rings with variable inner radii, outer radii, and heights. Remember that the tube command takes 3 parameters. The first is representing the inner radius, the second is representing the outer, and the third is representing the height.